Greetings viewers, Eric the Car Guy here, and I'm also known as ETCG1 when I'm on this channel, although I'm out of uniform and not wearing my ETCG1 hat, and I apologize for that. However, here on ETCG1 I start things off with, hey, if it's your birthday, happy birthday. Please enjoy this digital confection that I found for you on the internet. Now that we've got that pleasantry out of the way, as you may or may not be able to tell, I am in the mezzanine section of the shop. I am up above all the rest of it, and I'm using it for storage, but I've had several comments to the effect of, Eric, you should make that into a hangout space, or something to that effect. Additionally, I've had other people suggest that the one thing that I'm missing from my shop is a big screen TV. And I'm not saying any of you are wrong in any of this at all. I'm just saying for me personally, I don't like to hang out in my shop. And the reason I say that is because I have in the past had issues with that very thing. The last shop that I had before this one, I had sort of a little setup, little desk in the back. And at that desk, I had my laptop. And what would happen is I'd go to lunch and get my food. I'd sit down in front of my laptop and maybe watch something there, hang out. And what I found is the more I did that, the longer I was hanging out and the less I was actually working out in the shop. Because I found it to be a good way to avoid doing actual work. And that's the reason why I don't really want to make a hangout area here in the shop. But as far as this upper mezzanine area is concerned, a hangout area up here, at least in my opinion, I don't know yet, when it gets to be warmer, it's going to get kind of toasty up here. And I don't think that would be very comfortable and fun. But also, this is turned out to be an excellent storage space. All of this stuff is off the shop floor. It's up where I can still access it and everything, out of the weather, all of that. That's all great. So I'm very happy with using this for storage. And again, I'm not saying any of you are wrong by saying that, turn that into a hangout space or make a hangout space in your shop. But me personally, again, as I mentioned, I've had issues with that. So I'm putting this question to you today. I'm telling you why I'm not into this is because, like I said, what I found is if I create a hangout space or some sort of distraction in the shop, I find myself doing that more than the work that I'd rather be doing in the shop. So I'm purposely avoiding big screen TVs and places to hang out here. I want to fill it up with tools. I want to do work here. I want to make videos. That's what I want to do. But let me put this question to you. Do you find that you have a similar tendency? Do you find that if you have your shop set up with hangout stuff, that that's what you do? And also, I think it's important to note, what are you doing with your shop? Is your shop a place to hang out? If it is, then by all means, make it into the best hangout space you possibly can. For me, this is a video production studio and an auto repair place. So I fix cars and I make videos here. I kind of want to keep it to that. So let me ask you, do you find, similar to me, that if you set it up as a hangout space, you're not necessarily working? Is that the goal? Are you not there to work? Are you there to get away from all this stuff and just be in your little space? And doesn't matter what the rest of the world thinks, you're working. You're actually hanging out doing your thing. All good, not judging. So that's the question for today's video. Do you have a hangout space in your shop? And if you do have a hangout space in your shop, do you find that it distracts from the work that you're doing? Do you purposely avoid it like me? What's your situation with the hangout deal with your shop? How does that all play out? What do you think of all that? That's today's question, and I'd love to read about what your responses are down in the comments. If you have automotive questions, ericthecarguy.com. That'll be linked in the description along with some other videos for you to watch. So if you like this one, click on some other ones, like maybe subscribe, like maybe like the video, like maybe turn on notifications and do all that stuff that people do on YouTube these days, I guess. Anyhow, I want to thank you so much for watching. Be safe, have fun, stay dirty. I'll see you next time. Working, not hanging out.